Hello, this is Dee from the Fishing Gardeners. I'm just bringing you out here so we can do this little harvest. So I'm a beginning fruit tree gardener, so my fruit trees aren't as big. So far I don't get as big as a harvest as others, but some harvest is better than none. So, I had already started this morning, and you got two persimmons, a red lime. The orange happened to have fell off the amber sweet, and I have this papaya right here because I'm going to go ahead and cook it while it's green. Some of the papayas I wait for them to become yellow, and some I go ahead and cook it when it's green. So right here we have the pink pomelo. I'm gonna go ahead and grab these two and get those off. So we'll go ahead right here, clip it. I'm gonna try to push it so it can fall right here. It's too big for me to catch. And hopefully just go ahead and focus. Come on, focus on. Sometimes I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and grab this one. All right, there we go. So make sure it falls over. Of course, with water hit me all in the face. All right, so we'll go ahead and grab these and put them over here. Okay, so all right, let's keep on going around. And yeah, so I can't wait for next year where I really have the harvests. Now this Barbados Cherry, see that, or I'm gonna have to reach in there to grab some of those. But this tree has really did so much. I mean, basically you can call it shrubs, but it has done so much as far as giving us cherries this year. So go ahead and take those, because I would like to wait for them to get a little redder, but then I come back out the next day and they're on the floor. So basically I eat them with my miracle fruit, and that gives them that sweeter taste. So we got some of those off of here. Go ahead and put them over. I actually should have brought my container out here, but it's okay. I'll get it in there. And then, the hubby built that little sink right there so I can rinse all of these off, so I'm not bringing any type of bugs in the house. All right, so let's continue on. And get me some more. Now, when these right here, these red limes, when you cut them, when you bring them in, open them up, they're actually red inside. That's all dirty right there, but I'll go ahead and grab one of those. And basically, go ahead, look at jackfruit. So, you got this thing right here, so we can get ready to set up the protection brackets for these fruit trees. And I don't know, y'all. I don't know if Fruit Punch is going to make it this year. I really don't know. She made it last year, but I don't know. But it's okay. Something else will go in that spot. Okay, so we have that. All right, let's go right on over here. And yeah, so we got a couple of grapes this year, some guavas, and actually a squirrel or a cat. I'm assuming it's a squirrel because that's in cats are mostly the only thing that gets in my yard so far. And it took one of the guavas and ate all around the outside of it. The nerve of the thing. But yeah, but we got the other guavas, so usually we didn't have that problem, but for the spring I will be bagging them up. So none of the meatballs are ready yet. See all those meatballs, they still got a little bit of time to grow. So we'll wait on that. We'll look at baby Pakistani. is going to town right here. How big she got. Call that baby Pakistani. So we're gonna grab some of these. These are pineapple ground cherries. So when they fall off like this and you open them up, they're yellow and they taste like actually pineapple ground cherries. Basically, has a little like sweet taste. So we'll grab those. And like I said, I didn't never planted these right here. I planted them like maybe when I first started and forgot all about them, and they just keep coming back every year. So thank goodness I keep them in that pot. So we have that. We don't have any strawberry guavas. We ate all of those and harvest those. All right. Let's go back over. And we got actually a couple more miracle fruit. And this is actually what helps with anything that's sour. You know, this tree, I'll say, is a later performing tree. So all summer we got miracle fruit from this tree right here, and that one right there is a dwarf. Now this one comes later on and gives us miracle fruits. So see it right there. And I actually freeze mine. I didn't expect it to still be getting miracle fruit this late, but it's doing what it needs to do. All right, let's go. Okay, and we have some sorrel. Some people call it roselle. Have some of that. I'll come back out and get some of that because I have to put the camera down for that. Let's go over here and look at this starfruit that's producing again. Oops. All right. So look at them starfruit. None of them are ready yet, but look at all those starfruit right there. This one's getting close. Check that out. I actually like it when it's like around that. So they're getting close. I'm just going to go ahead and wait a couple of more days, and then we will have some starfruit. All right. And as you can see, look at all those miwa. Look at all those fruits. So if you don't catch them, they wind up right there. Look at all those miwas. So really, once a week I come out here and get them when they turn orange. And these right here, I already took a couple of those already off of there. For the June plums, I'm just going to go ahead and wait a little bit more there. You know, I guess I can pickle them, people say. And this tree is just constantly producing. So if you want a tree that's constantly producing, there you go. That's the old June plum. And last but not least is the papayas. So we took a lot of papayas off, and look at them, they're still producing. And these are the red lady papayas, still going strong. Just look at that. This is the one that actually, while I'm collapsing, actually, I'm gonna get those when they start turning that color. I'm gonna get underneath there and get those, and I just put them on the counter and they turn yellow. So I will come out here and get a couple of those. But this is the one that fell down, and we went ahead and ate it back up, and it's doing well. And those are blueberries, and obviously there's nothing there yet. So this is going to be the end of the harvesting video. And yes, and this is what I have for this morning. So, you know, pretty good harvest. I'm going to go ahead and add 2 more papayas to that. So it's a pretty good harvest for the morning time for beginning fruit gardener. And you know, we've been getting this about once a week, except for the pomelos, but the papayas, the Barbados cherries, the miracle berries, you know, the persimmons, the red limes. So yeah, it's a little bit of harvest there. So each year I expect that to grow more and more. And that's growing your own fruits. Hopefully you enjoyed this video content. Please hit that subscribe button if you are not one of my subscribers. And hit that notification bell and go ahead and give me one of them thumbs up. Okay, hopefully you're enjoying the rest of your day. Have a blessed day. Goodbye.